Hindi mo lahat yung sa akin.
Or let's play SCP-3008. 3008. Or let's play to SCP-3008. Fine! Sakit na yung heart ko. What the hell? What the hell? Bro, I'm videoing. I'm recording.
Ay, kala ko.
I'm gonna create my first video on YouTube. Ugly burger sira! Wait for me! Mama! YouTube! Bro, I'm recording.
Fine.
Yeah. Big box!
Big box the bagay cactus ah. Big box the bagay cactus ah.
I'm so lucky by the way! Okay, bro, chill. Hey, bro, chill, bro. I'm starting a first video, bro.
Bilisan ka na. Bro, ano po mag-record? Wala ko kid. Na yan eh. Asan na ikaw?
I'm a cookie cam, by the way. I'm collecting meds. How to
Ay,
collect?
wow, my medkit bro.
How to collect banana? I mean, cookie.
Bro! Ano kasi inaupuan yan mama mo yung nasa list
Bro, or a no. Get out of here, bro. Get out of farming or a farmer.
Get out of whatever! Bro, chill out.
Oh my god. Oh, you serious? It's a blood mountain, brother. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky.
I'm so happy. I'm so
Oh my god, I hate this game, bruh. I hate this game, bruh. I hate this game before. I'm done with this. You actually serious right now? You serious?
Bro, ba't na-live ka?
Yung ani, naglalag ako eh. Naglalag ako eh.
Mag-video ka na naman. Mag-restart ka.
I'm just gonna play this game, but
bro.
Intruder na lang. Let's play Intruder. Well, let's play.
Fine, i-video mo.
Ha?
I-video mo na lang din.
Video mo na kasi first video. Quiet, bala.
Bakit?
Bro, wait lang. I-video mo na. I-video mo na. I-video mo na.
Ito kasi, that's essential.
Multiplayer ba? Tara.
Guys, si Affation Kami yung ano kayo, mas klasin ba? Bro, saan ka na? Tatlo na lang kami para easy.
Bro, yellow din siya. Yung ano niya, dami.
Yeah! Yellow kami. Parang scrambled eggs.
You look like a french fry, by the way.
Bro, dapat ako skinny kasi pansit canton ako, di ba? And then noodles ako.
Ba't hindi mo na binidyo? Nagbibidyo nga.
Ay, kala ko.
Ito na. Magre-record ako, oh.
Kasi wala nga kulay red. Eh, kala ko hindi ka na ano.
Easy. Yes, stop na.
Valentina, vamos, tarame.
By the way, this is fairy color. Yes, we collab. Yeah. I'm in cousin house. I'm in
Yes, we're collab.
Your fairy color house.
Kasi cousin kami.
Yeah. Bro! Don't turn off the light, brother.
Nagkakatakot pag
You're such a stupid moron, brother. Okay, chill, buddy. Is bro Heidi? Where's the camera?
Uy, ang dito sa camera to. Or one. Ay, two pala.
Nasa outside to eh.
Ito yan outside.
Okay. Where is the moron? Where is the black monkey, by the way? Where is the black monkey? I mean, actually, see. Nasaan siya? Eh, nasaan siya? Basta. Sorry. Come for?
Check out my channel na. Check out my channel, guys. My Insta fairy color. Yes, yes. Please subscribe. Please. Yung pala ko sa'yo.
Hi, by the way. Duling. Duling. Saan na naman siya? What is that? Oh.
Natatakot ako, guys.
This moron. Imagine if you see this in 2 a.m. Hide! Hide! Hide!
Oh my God.
Bro, hide! Don't move! Don't move!
Bakit? Parang red light.
Green light? Is that a fart? Oh, I remember that. Joke. Shh. Don't move! You stupid. You're gonna die, brother. You look like a fresh fry, by the way. But
Bakit parang dinosaur siya? Hindi na makita natin.
such a big eyes, by the way. Please, daddy. Okay, shut up.
Dinosaur daw siya.
Pag nasa cam 6 siya, ibig sabihin nasa ano siya, door. Nasa door na siya.
Paano pag hindi namin na-check yung camera?
Ah?
Paano pag hindi namin na-check yung camera?
Mga
Anong camera siya? Anong camera siya pag... Ano?
Tattoo!
Ha? Ano? Anong camera siya pag... Ano? Pag nasa labas? Isa
Tattoo! Okay, this ugly moron, brother. It's annoying!
Kapag nasa pinto siya, anong camera?
Cam 6.
Okay, bro. Natatakot talaga ako mag-camera.
How long is ang camera? True. Such a big eye, by the way. What is this creature?
Bro, nasa country.
Kanga! I can't speak. I hate this game.
I love this game.
Where is the bacon, by the way? Is he dead? Ah! Pumunta! Oh, wala sa pang-fix. Down mo, by the way. Kasi si Bacon. Nalib nga siya. Just
Wala patay.
Oh my God. Hindi. Naano siya? Lib.
Nakinig ako sa taas tayo. Nakita ko yung boss. Kasi hindi sila Linis ba siya? Intruder. Pero bakit nagagaya natin yung avatar? Di ba dati ginagaya nila yun? Oo, ala, ako yan. That's me. Sabi ko sa'yo. Hey, I have headless. Sabi ko nga, mimic eh. Intruder tapos mimic. Ayun. Asya, 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 asya. Sorry, I don't speak. Asya, asya, asya. Hanggang mag-isip. Okay, go. Go na to, mag-six. Street, di ba? Slenderman siya pag... Oh my God. Actually. Scaredy cat, this is just a game. Kasi, tunay ba yun? Eh, yung nasa Cup 4? Okay, Camp 3. Camp 3. Okay, bro. Hi! Ugly. Ugly face. Tapos nagaya niyo ako. Napitahagok na ako. I'm thinking. Nasisigaw kapag malamig yung ano natin. Yung sabi. Umagot ka kasi! Ayun! Hindi ka lang. Wow, Tagalog basic kami. Kasi, yeah, I'm in Filipino. Yes, we know. Kasi, because we're a person. Sabi ko, bro, parang, did you just brush you bitch? Your breath is so smooth. Bro, yun, yung nanitin niya parang stick, perfect line. Perfect. Okay, okay. Okay, we need to survive. How many days we need to survive? I think in the morning. Oh. Oh, parang
Burn Pennywise na lang. Finally! We survived! Yay!
survive. Pinatayin niya yung ano yung intruder. Yeah. Okay. That's it, guys.
I just play Intruder. Bye-bye!